Without warning. Notice in here. He gets up every morning without warning. The bedside clock rings the alarm, so he gets dressed. He does his best to be on time. Alright, look at them. We don't have one guy in here. They all get up early. They enjoy their time. Look at it. They started like the first one. We've got a great family in here. They go from riding bikes, cookings, roller coaster, theme parks, aquarium, watching bears. Be careful. Gigantic one. By using, of course, VR glasses. 3, 2, 1. A lot of idioms for today. Whoa. We've got a lot. Boom. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Riding bikes, reading, VR, AR glasses. Now kind of hobby. It's kind of hobby. Crochet, animation, sand animation. It's a piece of art. Coin collecting, stamp collecting, we talked about it, cottering, flying drones, and of course, it's kind of art itself. So in here we have different things for different people. This is what it's called in English. Different strokes for different folks. Folks, people, could be folks, family, friends from your own country, whatever. So different things appeal to different people. Instead of saying, hey folks, hey people, this is quite informal to say people, folks. So different strokes for different folks, different things appeal to different people. People like doing different things. This is what it means. As you can see from here. That's awesome. The federal government has always been respectful of local customs and local communities, and therefore you had different strokes for different folks. Absolutely. Absolutely. So in here we're talking about different things that people like, and at the same time they can do it in their own free time. That's why it's called hobby in English. Wow. I think my favorites are, let's say about my favorite, we've got a lot. I've got a lot. I do like riding bikes. Number 3, I do like VR, kinda, not a lot. I do like reading, coloring. I do like flying drones, especially if you travel to different countries. You need to take a lot of snapshots. Right? Amazing one. Just go to Scotland, take one big drone, and fly with it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Whoa. One more time. Whoa. That's it. Yikes. Land down here. He's gonna shoot it, right? He's got it right. The giant, the legend, Kobe Bryant. Right? Unfortunately, he just passed away in helicopter crash in CA, California State, in the United States. Unfortunately, the legend 24 Lakers, of course, he plays in. He's one of the greatest. He's one of the greatest athletes in NBA. So he's the Kobe Bryant in here is doing what? He's shooting what? He's shooting the basket in the hoops, right? He's shooting the basket. Okay. The ball, what? In the hoops. This is what it's called, hoops in everyday English. We call it shoot some hoops. If you want to play basketball, especially if you're in the United States, if you're going to go to the United States, you're going to hear Americans or Canadians say a lot, shoot some hoops. What does it mean? Play basketball. Especially casually by simply shooting and not engaging in a game. You want to hang out and shoot some hoops for a while? Yes. You want to hang out and shoot some hoops for a while? That's it. It's not regular game. Just only playing it for pleasure. That's it. Not engaging in a game. So play basketball, one of my favorite hobbies in my free time. I used to play a lot of basketball. It's my favorite. Lakers is my favorite team, by the way, in NBA. That's it. So what about this one? Tickle the ivory or ivories. To play the piano. In informal English, and instead of saying play the piano, even for B1 students, maybe B2, maybe A1 is difficult to know, but B1 students, they need to know that tickle the ivory or ivories in here means playing the piano. So if you want to play the piano, you have to tickle the ivory, or you gotta say tickle the ivories. That's it. Notice in here 1, 2. It's an allusion to its white keys, which were formerly made of ivory. You know, ivory. That's especially made in India, I think. Yeah, in countries in Pakistan, India, there. So the white in here, nowadays, yeah, we do use plastic, especially in Japan, they do use plastic. But in the past, it used to be made out of ivory. That's it. So tickle the ivory in here. Ivory in here means play the piano. My father used to love tickling the ivories after dinner. My father used to love tickling the ivories after dinner. I love it. Wow. Every day. But nowadays, I think people like playing drums, right? Every day. All right. Or especially if you got acoustic guitar, play all the time. Green thumb. Wow. Number 4. What does it mean? Basically, you can know it from the picture itself. She's got a green thumb. She's what? Notice in here, it's greenery. If someone has a green thumb, they are very good at gardening, and their plants grow well. Synonym for that, green fingers. That's it. It doesn't mean your fingers are green. As I told you, it's an idiomatic expression in here. It means like you are very good at gardening. I'm just showing you the way in here, very good at gardening. We never stop. But I gotta slow down because I'm teaching you right now. That's it. Green thumb, silent B. That's it. She has an unbelievably green thumb. She can grow anything. Even vegetables? Even vegetables. What about some fruits? She can grow everything. Anything that you need. She's got a green thumb. That's it.